What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Let's see if we can manage today to grab a trade. Yeah, so we're just gonna start with the quick analysis and we will go forward. Yeah, so let's just see right now. We can see we're going to the upside. Yeah, it's very simple. Push, pull back, pull back, push. Yeah, so basically right now it kind of needs to start moving back to make this pullback. Yeah, the the thing is, because right now, what do we see here? The price action took this high, yeah, then tried to pull back, took this high, then took this low, yeah, and very beautifully with this impulse took this high, yeah. Right now at this point, what I'm thinking is the price action we're gonna start here pulling back, yeah, and the thing right now here we could see very beautifully one touch, two touch, three touch, I would say four touch, and then break this structure. Yeah, so most likely a lot of people will gonna do the break and retest strategy right here. They will gonna be something like that. They will gonna try to and they put the stops beneath this low or maybe this low, wherever. Yeah, something like that, maybe, or maybe even lower, maybe this one. It depends because it can be under any of these lows, yeah. And that's the thing with the stop losses, because the price usually they takes all the liquidity, so the liquidity usually sits underneath under those every single low, yeah. Then what we could see very beautifully here, we do have EMAs. Very simple concept, guys. People will gonna start taking buys out of this place, yeah, which, you know, is good, isn't it? Plus, we do have here the first guys who moved, and you know, all this, they thinking like, yeah, make choke or whatever, yeah. And I'm gonna take from here, the supply and demand, yeah. And obviously, you can add here also the Fibonacci. Right here, we're gonna take. So basically, that's the thing with this trading strategy, guys, because at the end of the day, everybody trades the same, they just got different mind and different concept, yeah. Somebody taking ICT, somebody taking break and retest, somebody taking 50% Fibonacci, somebody takes supply and demand. Everybody takes different stuff, but at the end they trading the same, they got the same bias to go to the upside. But the fact that 90% of traders they lose money, I'm gonna take here sells. So my expectation right now, the price action just to come here, maybe bounce a little bit, then break, then retest and move to the downside to take this low, maybe even this one. But I'm more focused to take this low. If I'm gonna take this low, then we good. If the price action will gonna get to my zone, I already have my alarm on. If my price action will gonna get back to this area, I'm gonna take sells. Very simple and clear. Stay tuned for the updates. Cheers. Boys and girls, yeah man. Unfortunately, you see, today we won't have any trade, guys, because the price action kind of make a double top, trying to move down again, make a higher high, and just crazy push the price up. So most likely it's just it won't be no trade. I'm gonna check later if I'm gonna get an entry or something like that. Am I gonna take a trade? Then I'm gonna make another video. But for now, guys, feel free to like, comment down, subscribe, because I'm still posting even this low, because I was planning to take a trade and I did not. So to me it looks like you have to see those videos also. If there is no trade, then you don't need to be getting involved. You just have to stay patient and wait for the next opportunity. If you do like this content, guys, feel free to like, comment, ask me if you do have any questions, and see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.